Introducing the R for Rabbit's Hygo Smart 5-in-1 Sterilizer. Your all-in-one solution to simplify baby care. Here's what you get inside the box. Removable steam cover lid. Steam cover. Juicer. Steam bowl. Egg tray. Base plate. Heating base. Sterilizer cover. Accessory tray. Stand. Bottle tray and the bottle chamber. And a user manual to guide you through. This all-in-one, space-saving appliance gives you 5 essential functions in just one device. Let's see how you can use them. Function 1. Sterilize baby bottles. Attach the bottle chamber to the base and add around 70 ml of water. Place the bottle tray inside the chamber and set the support stand on top and arrange the bottles upside down. Place the accessory tray and arrange smaller accessories. Cover with the steam lid, plug in the device, and turn the knob to sterilizer mode. Once sterilization is complete, unplug the device and safely remove the bottles, germ-free and ready to use. Function 2. Milk warmer. Add water to the heating base with the base plate attached, place the steam cover over the base, then position the milk bottle inside it. Plug in and turn the knob to the milk warming mode. The thermostat ensures gentle heating and automatically turns off when the temperature reaches 40 degrees Celsius, keeping milk warm while preserving nutrients. Function 3. Food warmer. Pour 100 ml of water into the base, place food in the steam bowl, and position it on the base. Cover with the steam cover and lid, and turn the knob to the food warming mode. The unit stops when the food reaches 70 degrees Celsius, and within minutes, food is evenly warmed and ready for feeding. Function 4. Juicer. Place the steam bowl in the main unit and attach the juicer on top. Cut the fruit into halves and extract juice manually. No power is required for this function. Function 5. Cooking eggs. Add 100 ml of water to the heating base. Place the egg tray on the base and set eggs in the tray. Cover with the steam cover and lid. Plug in and turn the knob to cook eggs mode, and in just a few minutes, you'll have perfectly steamed eggs. Hygo Smart doesn't just multitask, it also makes your life easier. Equipped with a built-in thermostat heating plate, it regulates temperature precisely for safe sterilization and warming. The auto shut-off feature ensures enhanced safety by preventing overheating. Crafted from BPA-free, non-toxic PP material for safe and long-lasting use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for both home use and travel. With ultra-silent technology, it runs quietly, keeping your baby's environment calm and peaceful. Simple, easy-to-use controls make operation effortless, and thanks to its easy-to-clean design, it's convenient for everyday use, ensuring hygiene with minimal effort. R for Rabbit's Hygo Smart 5-in-1 Sterilizer is safe, reliable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed for modern parenting.
R for Rabbit, the amazing baby company.